Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix a UPS overload problem. So if your uninterruptible power supply or UPS is showing an overload warning, then just follow along. First, turn off and unplug the devices connected to UPS. Then compare the combined power uses of those devices with the UPS maximum power rating. And if you're connecting too many devices or equipment that draws too much power, then disconnect some of them and leave only the essential devices connected. Next, restart the UPS and allow it to initialize. Then check whether the overloading warning has cleared. And you need to also inspect the connected equipment for any faults that could be causing unusually high power consumption. And if the overload warning continues with even a light load, the UPS itself may require servicing or battery replacement. So that was how to fix a UPS overload problem. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.